Hi and welcome back to Lambretta-Lutz. Today I want to show you a situation. What happened if a porting area of a barrel gets a damaging of the planting from the nickel seal, and how do you repair? And for this you don't have to make a replanting at all. There is a solution that has been developed by Helmut Tisberger. He called it so Panzern. And I will show you today because I got the license to make the smart repairs as well. I like to show you how to do. So one of the first steps that I have to do is working with such a diamond layered tools to round the sharp corners to have then the further process. So after that is done, you have already no sharp corners any longer. And now the next step is to put the new layer on it and make the process of smart repair and so-called Panzern. So after the first procedure is done, you have already a protected area. And after the finishing is done, you even can use this and you will not harm the corner. So it's ready to go for many thousand miles again. I could not show all the steps and some secrets of this technology that has been developed by Helmut Tisberger, but I'm happy to help you out with this procedure as well and with this kind of smart repairs. So go to my homepage, Lambretta-Lutz. You can see services and send me a message on the contact formula, and I'm happy to help you with this kind of repair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.